Hi everyone, this is Sushmita and welcome back to my channel Sushmita's Diaries. Today I'm sharing a much requested video on how to make Ratanjot oil at home. If your hair is turning grey and you're facing too much hair fall, then watch this video till the end because I'm going to tell you a secret ingredient later in the video that will make your hair grow thicker, longer and bouncier than ever before. So let's quickly jump into the video. Ratanjot actually is the root of a plant which has bright blue flowers and is found in the hills of northern India. It is a strong natural dye which is used to cover grey hair and help achieve a shiny, beautiful texture. So to make this oil, I ordered 100% natural preservative-free Ratanjot roots from Amazon, and I'm going to leave the buying links below in the description box. Ratanjot is known to promote hair growth by stimulating hair follicles. It is, however, very popular for its natural hair dyeing properties. It naturally increases the melanin level in hair strands and thus delays hair graying process. Break the roots in really small pieces for better infusion. Next, I'm using 100% natural edible quality coconut oil. Coconut oil has a molecular structure which is amazing for infusion. Pouring the oil in a heavy bottom pan, make sure that your pan is heavy enough because if you're using a lighter pan, that increases the risk of burning the oil altogether. Place the oil on very low heat. Remember that high heat might burn our concoction, hence keep the flame at its lowest throughout the process. After 5 minutes, the oil will warm up slightly and you will be able to see tiny bubbles at the base of the oil. I will drop a small piece of Ratanjot and check if the oil is ready. See how it started releasing its color in the oil. It's time to add it all in the oil. After 8 to 10 minutes, we will switch off the flame. Any more heating might burn the mixture and will make the oil evaporate. So this is the point that we need to switch off the flame. Stir the oil very well to ensure that the Ratanjot roots are further broken and gets absorbed into the oil. So after 3 hours, the oil has turned dark burgundy in color, almost resembling red wine. It's time to strain it in a clean, dry jar or a bottle. Guys, this actually looks like red wine, isn't it? Now comes the secret ingredient. If you're facing baldness or hair thinning, or even if you want to make your hair thicker than ever before, then here is a fantastic ingredient that you cannot miss. Here I have the black Jamaican castor oil. Yes, it is different and much more effective than the regular castor oil that you have been using all this while. It is dark in color and a little richer in the density. Black Jamaican castor oil helps with new hair growth and improves the melanin pigment in the hair structure, which consequently makes the hair appear darker. Now add the Jamaican castor oil into the freshly prepared Ratanjot oil and give it all a stir. Keep this oil in an airtight container away from moisture. For better results, apply this oil twice a week and let it remain in hair at least overnight. Guys, if you still have any other question regarding this particular remedy, then let me know in the comments. I would love to get back to you. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to share it with your friends and I will see you all very soon. Till then, bye and take care.